Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to adjust the speed of the wipers based on how fast you are driving. So, at the very beginning, let's start by using the dashboard behind the steering wheel, and now you can navigate here by using both keys from the steering wheel, the left and the right arrows. So let me use the right arrow a few times to highlight the settings. As you can see, I've got my settings highlighted, and let's press OK button to confirm it and to enter the settings. Then from the list of settings, you need to scroll down until you see the vehicle settings. So let me do it. Let's scroll down to vehicle settings, and then all we need to do is choose here the wipers. So let me do it by scrolling down and by confirming by using OK button. As you can see, the first option is speed dependent. I've got this already enabled, but I can disable or enable this feature just by pressing OK button. So let me turn on this feature, speed dependent. It automatically adjusts the speed of the wipers based on how fast you are driving. So when you stop at the red light, the wipers slow down. When you start driving fast on the highway, they speed up to handle the increased amount of rain hitting the windshield. So it's quite useful. I will keep it that way. I will keep it enabled. So thank you for watching. Please consider to leave a like. Bye.